Welcome guys. Let's do technical analysis and price prediction of Viracity Vira for this bull run. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. Current rank of VRA is 194 and price of the Viracity is 5.7 cents right now. Market cap of Viracity is $380 million, which is good. And 24-hour trading volume of Viracity is $93 million, that is good. Circulating supply of VRA is 6.5 billion and total supply of Viracity is 10.3 billion. This is the supply, here you can see. Let me please show you some statistics. After that I will show you the website. Here you can see on Sunday 28 February 2021, price of the Viracity was just $0.0021 and after that price goes to $0.06. And here you can see all-time high of Viracity was on October 11, 2021, about 3 days ago, and the price was $0.065661. And all-time low of Viracity was on February 23, 2021, about 8 months ago, and the price was just $0.001995. In 30 days, it gives 68% profit to its holders. That is good. And it is available on KuCoin, Gate.io, Bittrex, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token on KuCoin exchange, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get this link. This is the KuCoin exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $100 bonus, as well as you can get these bonuses: $700 bonus of Binance, $1,200 bonus of Phemex, and Bybit bonus of $1,600. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses. These are withdrawable and tradable bonuses. Let me please show you some other statistics and the website. It is very important token for me, and it is having very bright future, and I'm going to show you my latest charts of Viracity to you. Here you can see Viracity is a protocol and product layer platform for esports and video entertainment. Rank 191, volume $89 million, and this is the website. Visit this website by your own, and please do your own research before buying this token. And this is the roadmap, and these are very important things. You can read down these, and after visiting this website, please visit this website and note down these things before buying this token. Let me please show you the charts and my targets. First of all, this is Viracity 4-hour chart, and it is the top 6.3 cents, and after that this is the support zone is at 5.5 cents, and it is the resistance zone is at 6.3 cents, and after hitting this zone 6.9 cents, it is at 5.7 cents right now. I think it have to hit this zone very soon, 6.30 cents, and once it broke this, let me please show you. In that case, our first target will be this area, and it will break its all-time high again. And here you can see it is respecting this trend line. This is the main trend line in 4-hour chart, and here you can see after touching this this trend line, every time this the price of the token bounce back. And let me please show you. Here you can see, and here you can see, here you can see, here you can see, this is the main trend line, and it is respecting this trend line, and that is very good sign. And let me please show you some levels, and this is the main support for the Viracity is at 4.93 cents, and second support zone for the Viracity is this zone, 5.2 cents. These are the support zones, and you have to note down these zones, and these are very important zones for the Viracity. And let me please delete this. This is the first target. Once it break this 6.3 cents price area, after that it can easily hit 7.30 cents price area. This is 4-hour chart, first immediate short-term target. And let me please show you the EMA ribbon. it broke this EMA ribbon, and after that it is in this EMA ribbon again. Once it broke this and closed daily candle above 6 cents, in that case it will be bullish. Here you can see it was broke this EMA ribbon, and after that we see a move of 132% towards upside, and that is a good sign. Once it broke this again and closed daily candle above this and break this horizontal resistance 6.3 cents, in that case it will be extreme bullish. And let me please show you my second chart. This is Veracity daily chart, and here you can see this is the horizontal resistance 6.25 cents, and this is the horizontal support at 5.3 cents area. And this is the main trend line. Here you can see it is respecting this trend line. Here you can see several touches, and here you can see, and also here you can see. And after hitting this zone again, it is again at 5.7 cents right now. Now what is the next? Once it broke this area, $6.3, in that case our first target will be, in day chart, will be like this, 7.3 cents. This will be our first target. And let me please show you very important thing. Let me please show you. Here you can see it is creating a bull flag, and here you can see now it is very clear. And let me please clone this, and let me please show you the target. Here you can see the target of this bull flag will be this area, $0.89, $0.089, you can say 8.9 cent will be the next target. This is the target of this bull flag. And if I draw this from with fib retracement trend tool, in that case let me please show you. Let me please zoom the chart. It is in between 1 to 1.61 level, and once it broke this, the next level will be 1.61, and it is at 6.4 cents. And after that this area 8.8 cents area, and after that this area is very important to 11 cents, and after that 12.6 cents. These are the fib levels. You have to watch these levels. And let me please remove this, and let me please show you the daily EMA ribbon. Candles broke this daily EMA ribbon, and it is very good sign. And now this ribbon is turning as a support for the Veracity. And let me please show you CPR levels, that are the main targets. Here you can see these are main CPR levels. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see these are main CPR levels starting from 3.3 cents to 3.8 cents, and this is first bullish target it hit by Veracity. The second bullish target was also hit by the Veracity, and it is at 5.9 cents. And the third bullish target is at 7 cents price area, 6.95 cents price area. Let me please mark label on it, and price label. Here you can see these are extreme bullish CPR levels, and these are monthly CPR levels, and maybe Veracity can easily hit 6.9 cents within some days. This is the CPR monthly extreme target. Let me please show you my next chart. This is weekly chart of Veracity, and this is the main horizontal resistance at all-time high 6.72 cents, and this is the strong resistance area 5.5 cents, and this is strong support area 3.92, and this is also a strong support area is at 2.4 cents. Let me mark these areas, note down these areas. Here you can see Virasty break this previous all-time high, and now it is at in between this range, 5.5 cent to 6.7 cents. Once it broke this 6.7 cents area, in that case our target will be like this. This will be the weekly target. 8.19 cents is the next target. These are support and resistance levels. Please note down these levels, and this is the main target. And let me please show you the target of this bull run. Let me please show you. For this I have to take this tool from, this is for retracement trend tool, and after that I have to take this from the previous bottom, from top to previous bottom. And now my target for the Virasty for this bull run will be this area, 2.61, and it is at 15 cents to 3.61 Fibonacci level, 20 cents area. This is the target I think Virasty can easily hit. These are the targets, 15 cents to 20 cents price area. I think this is very realistic target. Virasty Vira can easily hit these targets. These are the targets for this bull run, and I think 20 cent is very realistic target. Virasty can easily hit this target very I think it can easily hit 20 cent, maybe 30 cent, but my realistic target is 20 cents, maybe in between 15 to 20 cents, but 20 cent is very realistic target. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, share this video with all of your friends and crypto community, and please like this video, thumbs up this video like right now. And if you want to get these bonuses, $700 bonus of Binance, $1,200 bonus of Phemex, and $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchanges, just click on these links. You can find these links in video's description. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get these bonuses absolutely free. These bonuses are tradable and withdrawable too. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.